ass is good.
Well, it's always going to be.
Karen, put that away, mate. We don't want to know about it.
You ain't ever going to get a spanking from him. It's not that. But it's not.